If you've lost access to your Temu account and cannot use your email to recover it, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Go to the login screen. On the main screen, locate and tap on the login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your account details. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Tap on it to initiate the recovery process. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you cannot access your email, check for alternative recovery options such as phone number or social media accounts linked to your Temu account. Select the option that applies to you. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity using the chosen recovery method. This may involve receiving a verification code via SMS or logging in through a social media account. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Temu account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Temu's customer support for further assistance.